How to delete Instagram search suggestion while typing. So the very first thing you want to make sure that you are running the latest version of the app. Once your application is up to date, what you want to do is simply open it. Make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will be landing you on this page. Once you are in this page, move into your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then click on this 3 horizontal line at the top right corner. In the section of How to use Instagram, move into your activity. Once you are in this page, scroll all the way down until you see the option where it says Recent Searches. Click on it. In this page, all the list of the searches that you have made on Instagram will be visible to you. If you want to delete them, simply tap on Clear All at the top right corner of the screen, and then once again click on Clear All. After that, you will be good to go. If it doesn't fix your problem, then what you want to do is go back to your settings and scroll all the way down and move into Help. Tap on Report a Problem. Click on Report Problem without shaking. Well, in this page, you have to explain or state the problem that you have been facing on Instagram. And within 24 hours, they will definitely come up with some solution for you, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can delete search suggestion when typing. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.